How to remove Gmail account from Gmail app on iPhone and Android. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove any Gmail account from the Gmail application on iPhone and Android. For this tutorial, I'm using an iOS device. If you're having Android, you can follow similar steps. So first of all, head over, open the Gmail application, and then you're going to click on your profile here at the top right. After that, you'll be able to see all of the Gmail accounts that you have logged into this device. You're going to click on Manage Accounts on this device over here. Once you do so, you'll be able to see all of the Gmail accounts you have logged into this device. So if you wish to remove any account, what you're going to do is simply click on Remove from this device. Once you click on that, it will say that whether you really want to remove this account and any unsafe data will be removed from Gmail and other Google apps on this device. So you can head over, click on Remove. And just like that, you can remove Gmail account from Gmail app on iPhone and Android. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.